Hi, my name is Sarah, and I'm wearing the white striped shirt.
Hi, my name is Demaya, and I'm wearing the green vest.
And together we are celebrating Week of the Young Child. And since today is Wednesday, we will be working together to make a sunshine friendship craft.
First, we're going to get into groups of 2 or 3 people to make our sunshine with.
Then we will have our teacher or parent make a circle in the center of a large piece of white paper.
Each child will pick a color and place handprints around the circle to create rays of the sun.
If your child doesn't want to use orange or yellow for the rays, that's fine. Let them be creative and pick another color if they'd like.
Make sure the painting is completely dried before displaying it in your classroom or home to remind us of all the fun we had working together today.
We hope you enjoyed Work Together Wednesday and all of the activities during the Week of the Young Child.